Dallas-Fort Worth. The local time is 2:01. There has been a 1-hour time change. Please stay seated with your seatbelt fastened and carry items stowed as the captain has turned off the seatbelt sign. Be careful when opening overhead bins to avoid injury from items that may have shifted during the flight. And please ensure you have all of your personal belongings with you before deplaning. As you reach our gate, we invite you to use the Fly Delta app for important baggage and connection information. And for customers who requested a wheelchair on arrival, we will advise you upon reaching the gate when assistance is available. You may receive an email asking you to share your feedback. We certainly value your responses and will use them to improve your future travel experiences. On behalf of this crew, I want to thank you so much for helping us celebrate 100 years of flight. We look forward to seeing y'all again soon. Wish you a great rest of your day, and as always, happy travels.